Hey everyone! So in the spirit of the holidays, we are going to be making a greeting card design today. So you are going to need paper, pencil, listening ears, and watching eyes. Here we go. So you're first going to start by folding your paper in half. Make sure that you get a really good crease. So after you do this, the fold, you're going to want to keep that on your right hand side. For this drawing, I'm going to be using markers so everyone can see it, but you should be using pencil. About halfway down your paper, right here, we're going to draw two letter J's. So I'm going to draw one the correct way, and then one is going to be backwards. Inside both of these J's, I'm going to draw two smaller J's. Then to connect them, I'm going to do a large, wide V. In the middle of that V, where it comes to a point, I'm going to do a letter U. Then in the middle of each side of the V, I'm going to do another letter U. Now in all the empty space between the U's and the J's, I'm going to fill it with U's of a similar size. They don't have to be perfect, and remember, with Draw With Me, you don't have to do exactly what I do, you're just trying to do your best. We're going to draw a letter H, a capital letter H. The crossbar of your letter H is actually going to be really low. Normally it's in the middle, but we're going to do it really low down. Then on top of that crossbar, I'm going to draw three letter M's. Then I'm going to do some lowercase w's, about 3 or 4 of them, and some lowercase m's, maybe again 3 or 4, and connect those together. Then a letter O right above the middle of my V. Big letter U in between my 2 letter J's. Leave some space between the U and the J, and then do another U inside of it. Then I'm going to draw 2 letter L's, capital letter L's. Now I'm going to turn my paper so that the V is pointing to the left. So you can see that point like an arrow. Now you're going to draw a number 1, going to create the ground. And I'm going to draw 2 small number 1s to finish off those J's and complete the shape. Then I'm going to draw 3 sets of number 11s. So remember, those are parallel lines. They run together, but they don't touch. And each time I draw a set, they're going to get longer and wider apart. Then you're going to turn your paper one more time so everything's right side up. I'm going to draw 2 more capital L's to complete the shape here, and then 3 more sets of number 11s to finish off those rectangles at the bottom. And then I'm going to draw a number 1 topped off with a circle underneath each of those J shapes. And now you can see we've made a gingerbread house. It's time for you to add your own details.